Good morning, guys. You guys, it's been a while that I have actually picked up this camera after all the birthday events and everything that was going on in September. But anyways, thank you guys so much for the love on my birthday, for the prayers, and thank you especially to my number one, hey, Nancy Elonga. Thank you so much. I mean, thank you so much. She still found a way to spoil me on that day. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I just cannot believe, putting out my life and people get inspired, fall in love with me, and just want to make me feel special. See, I used to shy away from gifting and this one, like, because sometimes I always feel like people will need it more than me. But my feminine era, I told my husband, I say, this birthday, spoil me, I'm all yours. And you guys, I was saying something on my Instagram status, right? But before I go to this, I'm supposed to head into the kitchen right now. Our family friends are relocating, so they are coming to the house to say goodbye to us, and they specially requested for fisherman soup. That's what I want to make for them this afternoon, right? But I'll show you guys something when I head out now. A closed mouth is a closed destiny. My blender spoils, right? My blender spoils. In fact, let me go even bring the blender first and show you guys. My blender spoils, and my colleagues gave me a what they call a birthday gift of rice cooker. When I had resumed back, I met it on my decks and all of that. If you don't follow me on Instagram, please do follow me on Instagram. You will get in all the happening gist as at the time is happening, right? And I was just discussing with another of my female colleague of how, oh my god, you guys know me so well, like that I like to cook, I like all these kitchen gadgets and all. So thank you so much. That I even plan to actually buy a blender because my blender spoiled, right? And she was like, that she has a blender that she doesn't really use and has never really even used it and all. It's just like it has always been there. That if I don't mind, I was like, that I wasn't checking prices of blender because I wanted to buy this Ultra Blast blender, that very strong one, so that I will not have to be taking certain things out to blend. I can do it indoors because my blender was very good. Oh, my husband is back from the gym. My husband is back from the gym. Baby, I'm here in case you're looking for me. Then I was just saying to her, like, what they call it, like, I don't mind though that I actually wanted to buy a blender, and what I'm seeing, they're pretty expensive, but I'll put it in the budget for the month end and buy that. I actually wanted to buy this Ultra Blast blender because I've been seeing the ads everywhere. They're chasing my life. Welcome, my love.
Hey, baby.
Welcome. You guys, my husband is back from the gym. I'm making fisherman. Guys, I seem a little bit distracted this morning. I'm even sweating because the pressure pot is on and I'm just trying to steam everything that I need. I'm making fisherman, I'm making okra, but the girls are helping. They are inside the kitchen. So I was just saying that I wanted to, what they call it, buy this Ultra Blast because I've been seeing the ads everywhere and it feels like they've been after my life, literally. So, I was just having discussion and I was just saying that I'll put it in the budget for this month and, so that I'll just buy it and get done and over with it. Because, this Nigeria, if you see something, buy it immediately. And she was like, oh, that she has a blender that she has not really used and all that. If I don't mind though, not like she's imposing for me to come and take her old item in the house. I say, in this Nigeria, old item, okay? Please, I don't mind. Like the way I'll just say I don't mind though, and the next morning I saw this big blender on my table, and I asked, yeah, for you. I was like, hey, free gift, just like that. Free gift just like that. My husband just say, baby, it's you that is raining this your birthday and all. But it just goes far to say, a lot of people will say, don't talk to colleagues, don't talk to people, it's better for you to avoid people than to be in trouble, this and that. I know those advices come from a place of hurt, right? But you were not designed to do life alone. Yes, you were designed to do life with people. Even if people have hurt you left, right, center, pick up the pieces, pick up the experience. Don't lock yourself up, because that is the way the devil gets hold of you. It begins to give you suicidal thoughts, depression, different things, right? You were destined to do life with people. Jesus Christ could not spread the gospel around just by himself, and he needed disciples. He needed people, even with their sins, even with their, I know if it was in this, our, what they call it, our generation, when Jesus Christ is trying to make a tax collector his disciple, they will first look at him from head to toe like, what are you doing with this sinner? What are you doing? You know, we are so quick to judge. We're so quick to castigate people. Our life seems so perfect when we are just, you know, people are just looking at the exterior, but inside the house is a different thing. But this is just me saying that, right? I could have just said, I beg, I don't really talk to people. I don't want to associate people I know. And I for miss my blessing. So let me just show you guys the blender real quick. I want to, what they call it, go mingle as much as you can, you know, but do it with a discerning spirit. Does not mean that you will just meet somebody tomorrow and begin to tell the person all your family details and everything. There are relationships that does not have to be so deep, but they can be beneficial to the both of you. They can be beneficial to you and even the next person, right? And even your children as well. They don't have to be so deep. You don't have to bring them to your homes and all. These are relationships that can be beneficial to you. Even for me that is even doing YouTube on here, right? I have my sisters and I have my friends that if I want to just ask a question, thumbnail this, how do you do this, what do you do, what gadget are you using and all, I have those people, you know, so you can't do life alone. But anyways, let me go and attend because our guest will soon be here. Not really here. Let me just go and tidy up in the kitchen and I'll speak to you guys. But let me first show you guys the blender. You guys, I haven't even, what they call it too. Hold on. I have not even unboxed it yet. But it is 2-in-1 Panasonic. You guys, look at this. I feel blessed. I feel blessed. It has these other ones for what they call it, rough blending, crayfish, other things, and this one. In fact, someone even messaged me. I was like, she received this blender on her wedding day as one of her wedding gifts, and this blender has served her a lot, a whole lot. But yeah, I'm just blessed. Let's go in. Let me just cook and be done with it before people start coming to the house.
A few moments later.
So you know the see you guys see, my girl is scared of this shrimps. Scared of shrimps. Oh my god, this is what.
Wow, yummy food.
what piece is devouring? Only one person.
Wow.
Patience will never eat. Patience will never eat this soup for you. But this piece says she knows all this soup well. Let me go and serve my husband.
The next day.
Hey guys, your girl is done from work. So I have this birthday voucher from Oil Peperenzi, right? I am going to so yeah, it's a gift voucher and valid until October 25th. So what they call it, she gave me a voucher to pick anything 100,000 naira, and yeah, so I'm just supposed to go and pick outfits because the voucher, I don't want it to expire. She's been reminding me and I've been like, oh, I'm busy, and I don't want her to start feeling bad. I mean, it's a gift, it came on my birthday and also I don't want to as I just closed from work today, so let me just be going there. But how you guys doing? You guys, I'm doing well. I've buffed up. Hey, I have mamaed up. You guys, Snapchat was just reminding me of myself some 5-6 years ago. I was such a baby girl. I don't know. I don't know. I am so mamaed up, but I need to take this hair out. I'll show you my husband over the weekend. That look at my hair. Look at the hair you love so much. It's really chopping out my front hair. Don't know if you guys can see, but it's really chopping out my front hair. But yeah, let me just be heading to, let me go and be spoiled. You guys, I love the fact that my friends actually are so thoughtful and mindful of me and they spoil me, right? I'm such a spoiled friend. So let me just go there and just pick up, you know, what I need and what I, not really what I need, what I would like. What I would like, you guys. These days now, if I'm picking outfits, I'm looking for outfits that will cover my mommy pouch. That will cover my mommy's stomach. I was telling Snapchat, I said, Snapchat, leave me alone. No, stop reminding me about pictures of myself and videos of myself. Are you after my big stomach? Leave me alone, Snapchat. Snapchat just say memories from 6 years ago, memories from 5 years. There's one I saw, I was like, hey, people could not even believe that that was me. I say, Snapchat, leave me, please, leave me. But anyways, let me just be going. I'll talk to you guys later. The one you were showing. What's one? That's fine. What's wrong? Numbers. No. Ah. On that was that. Jonathan never. You guys, I just got back from work right now and I'm about to chop this hair off. I thought I could manage and just continue, but the heat is becoming so much. I want to carry my natural hair, or I want to braid it so that, or maybe do cornrows, but I don't want to do plenty cornrows, maybe like 4-5, that I will just be managing till I'm ready for the hair completely. Oh yeah, help me with scissors, help me with scissors. Okay, guys, goodbye to birthday hair and all the shakarabiko. Don't do. Grandma, if you don't come out from my back, I don't know what you are doing there. Don't do. Everybody will put hand. I should not push you. Look at this smally behind me, commanding me. Tired, man.
Mama, you cut his hair.
I'm tired though, my son. I can't keep up. You guys that braid your hair, look at my front hair. And that's what I was telling my husband. Look at my front hair. My hair will really braid. Like, as much as he loves braid, right? And as much as he wants me to do the braids, because of how much he loves it, my hair will really cut if I continue to do braids. Like, anytime he says do braids. But say Valentine. I was about to say Valentine don't pass. What do they call them? Birthday don't pass. Oh, birthday celebration. Love don't check me. I don't do Boomsy 2.0 or Boomsy 3.0 because I feel myself. You are just here laughing. This guys are just here laughing. I'm tired. I need to feel myself. My God. I'm losing it. I'm tired. Your daddy likes it. I'm tired. I'm very tired. You guys, let me just continue this off camera. I'll talk to you guys later. For the people that say, oh, Boomsy, braids, it fits you so much, it makes you look your age. Oh, I agree with your husband. Braids. It's even the husband that is laughing at me now that the hair has chopped. I just came back quickly. I went to just go and relax it because the hair was so due, so hard to comb. You guys, I lost so much hair, unbelievable. Like, I am not trying these Ghana braids again till maybe like a long time, but I lost hair, honestly. And my husband was not even laughing at me. See, just look at my hair. I cannot even recognize this. It's no longer even equal. I had to even trim it again. Like, after all the trim, I had to trim it. You guys, I think I need to also be taking my, not skip so much days for my multivitamins, because when a woman just gives birth, in fact, after you finish giving birth and you have now entered your 30s, vitamin is a necessity. It is compulsory to actually take your vitamins every day. Look at me even talking about it for the past, yes, now since Monday I've not taken it, but now that I'm not seeing this thing on my body, I need to go and take it. But anyways, guys, you guys, I need to shower up because I have a proposal decoration and I want to use that to start another vlog. I have a proposal decoration and I want to use that to start another vlog. So let me just go and shower. I will put jollof rice on fire so that when the children wake up, that's what they are going to eat. But I'll be out of this house in like 4 hours. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I didn't even mention to you guys that the native soup I cooked that day, there was an emergency with our family friends, so they could not come. They intend to come again, but I don't know how it's gonna be. Hopefully we'll go to them to say goodbye to them, or they will still come here. But either way, they did not show up, so we whacked it and we enjoyed it. There's some still remaining in the fridge, and yeah, my man has been enjoying it. But anyways, guys, let me just go and shower, put jollof rice on fire, and I'll be out. I'll see you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. You guys, thank you so much for all the love and support. I see it a lot, so thank you guys for all the love and support, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye, sweet people. Bye. Boomsy's Army, you guys rock.